So with blog creation, we come to the end of WordPress designing. You need to implement all the things that you have learned and you need to complete your website designing. Please finish it off by Monday as I told you. Now let me show you how to implement SEO on your website. In order to implement SEO, we will use a tool called All-in-One SEO. It is a plugin, All-in-One SEO plugin, or you can use Yoast. Actually, we are going to learn about All-in-One. If you learn one, it is almost same in almost all plugins in the market. All-in-One SEO is most popular and people will not have any issues because of it. There are no errors coming up. Yoast SEO sometimes is interfering with the plugins. So it is giving errors. If at all Yoast SEO is already active on your accounts, please deactivate it. I have seen someone's screens because when I was taking the screen access, when someone was giving me access to the screens, I have seen that Yoast SEO is activated on your dashboards. If at all it is active, please deactivate it. Because at the same time, if you use two different type of plugins, they might interact with each other and results might be not correct for you. So please use only one and that should be all-in-one SEO. All-in-one SEO is the plugin that we are using in order to implement it on the, SEO on your website. How to do that? Let me show you. I'm logging into my dashboard. It's taking ages. So I've logged into my dashboard. How do you install a new plugin? Add new plugin and search for all-in-one SEO. This is the, yes, this is the one you have to look for, the icon. Okay, all-in-one SEO, best WordPress SEO plugin. You can find it. You'll have 3 million plus active installations, updated 19 hours ago. This is what we are using. You will have install now here. Click on install now and you can see all-in-one SEO on your dashboard like this. Okay, please make sure that there is only all-in-one SEO active. If Yoast SEO is also active in your dashboards, please deactivate it. Yes, I know that for a lot of people, WordPress by default will add Yoast SEO. How to deactivate it? Let me show you. Can anyone give me the screen access so that I can show it to others? Anyone who is able to give me screen access? Anyone logged in with the system without mobiles?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Anusha, go ahead and give me the screen.
Okay.
I have allowed you to screen share. I'm stopping the screen share of my system.
Okay.
Go ahead now. Is Yoast SEO active on your dashboard?
Yeah, just now I have deactivated, ma'am.
Oh, you have deactivated. Then what shall I do now?
Okay.
But how do I connect it? Yeah, that's right. You need to log into the Zoom from your system. Let it be. It's okay. Let her share. We will see. Anusha, first you share the screen, then I'll show others how to deactivate it. Go to your dashboard and show where it is. Yes, in the installed plugins, you can see it, ma. Scroll down. Scroll down to the last. Yoast is Y, so it will be in the last. So here it is, guys. You can see she has deactivated it. If you can click on activate, it will become activate. Don't do it, ma. So you have to deactivate it, please. Don't keep it active. because Yoast SEO and all-in-one SEO does the same work. Come here, Jishan, bring your system. Thank you, Ma. You can stop sharing the screen. No, not here. Get into,
Plugins.
yeah, install plugins. Yoast is there. Deactivate. So we have deactivated Yoast. Now you install all-in-one SEO plugin.
Already installed.
Done. Yes. All right, ma. So that's about activating all-in-one SEO plugin. Now let us see what all can be done with this all-in-one SEO plugin. First step is we will do server-side optimization. I have already told you the theory. As a part of server-side optimization, we will add 3 files I told you. What are they? Robots.txt, sitemap.xml,
htaccess.
.htaccess. Why do we add robots.txt?
To give instruction to crawler, ma'am.
Instructions to the robots,
Crawler.
crawlers, whether they should visit your website or not, whether they need to disallow any page. That instructions we will give on robots.txt. What should you do on sitemap? What is sitemap.xml? Yes, it is the list of all the URLs of your website. So sitemap.xml is the list of all the website URLs. And what is .htaccess, ma?
It give direction from non-triple-W version to double-W version.
Very good. So it is for creating a redirection from your non-triple-W version of the website to the triple-W version of your website. So these are the 3 files that you must add on server. I already told you as a part of server-side optimization. But in WordPress website, all this will be happening automatically. Robots.txt and sitemap.xml, they happen automatically. And .htaccess, you need not add it. You can create a redirection just with one small change in the website. How to do that, I'll show you. The minute you activate all-in-one SEO plugin, by default, it will activate robots.txt and sitemap.xml. Where can you check that? I'll show you. On your dashboard, you will have all-in-one SEO here. Under all-in-one SEO, you will have tools. Okay. Under all-in-one SEO, you have tools. Get into that tools. You can see robots.txt, which is already active. So robots.txt is already created. Here you can see the command also, the preview. User agent star, disallow admin page. So this you did not create, right? Automatically, all-in-one SEO will create it the minute you activate it. Where do you check it? You can check it under all-in-one SEO tools. Similarly, under all-in-one SEO only, you will have sitemaps. You click on sitemaps and you can see that your sitemaps will already be activated. Nothing has to be done. It is already sitemap created. So 2 things are automatically done with the help of all-in-one SEO. Now you have to do the third thing, that is redirection from your non-triple-W version of the website to the triple-W version of your website. For that, get into your dashboard, ma. On the dashboard, you will have settings. This is your WordPress settings, not all-in-one SEO settings, remember. So under WordPress settings, just click on that. You will see general settings first. Here you will have WordPress URL and site address URL. By default, you will not have www here. You will have only your website name. Jishan, are you checking? Yeah. Go to settings, general settings. You can see your WordPress address URL and site address URL. Can you see www there? No. It will be by default non-triple-W version. You have to manually enter www before your website name. In both the places. www dot. Make sure you do it carefully because lot of people have corrected their files by adding one extra W. Trust me. Instead of triple W, you put 4 W's, gone. Your website will get crashed and you have to redesign everything. So be very careful. Add carefully www dot. All right. And add it in both places, both in WordPress URL and site address URL. Yes. Check properly and save changes. After you save changes, you will be logged out of your dashboard. And if you have entered wrongly, you cannot enter the dashboard again. Yes. Now log in back. Very good. All right, ma. So robots.txt is auto created. To check that, you need to get into all-in-one SEO. Under that, you will have tools. So get into tools and you can see robots.txt, which is activated. Similarly, you can get into all-in-one SEO sitemaps and you can see the sitemap will be already added. Now get into your dashboard main settings. Under the general settings, you will have WordPress URL and site address URL. By default, it will be like this. No www is present. You have to manually enter www in front of your website name, www dot. Here also www dot. Be careful while entering this. I am repeating it again and again. For a lot of people, I have reset their websites and they had to design it right from the first. So make sure you add it correctly, and after adding that, you will just scroll down and save changes. That's about 3 steps of server-side optimization. So with simple activity, server-side optimization is completed.
So if we go to www.com, it will not go to www.
Yes, it will be directly redirected. The customers, the users, the crawlers, everything will be directly redirected to, yes. Yes. It will be redirected to the www version by default. So coming to your next step, we will do permalink structure first. What is this permalink structure? I'll tell you. Jishan, I am opening your website to show others. For example, guys, I am opening one website here, the bettingtips.xyz. And I am on this football predictions page. So what is here? The bettingtips.xyz/football-predictions. I don't want the page name like this. I want it to be according to my structure that I am giving. Let us open some other website. Passion Food Art I am opening. Getting into an about us page. For you also it is coming up as about us. For some people it will come like page ID, question mark, etc. Let us see if anyone is getting that. Hare Krishna mobile I am opening. Usually proper structure won't be there. Let me click on new launches. Nice. Directly you are getting the permalink accessories. Usually I'll give you a screenshot, right? Something like this, index, page ID, or question mark, or different numbers. So some irregular structures will be there in the URL. In order to make the structure proper, you will get into settings. Under settings, you have permalinks. Please note down the path if you are doing it later. Under your general settings only, you will have permalinks. Click on that permalink. By default, it will be plain or day and name or month and name or numeric, whatever it is. Change it to post name. Please change it to post name. It is already on post name. That is why we are seeing your pages with your page names. By default, if it is with day and name or something else, you will have some other structure. So if at all it is something else, please change it to post name. If it is already post name, no need of changing it. So keep it post name, scroll down and save changes. Got it, ma? So that is what you call permalink structuring. For that, you will get into settings, go to permalinks, select post name and save changes. Next, on-page optimization begins. As a part of on-page optimization, what are the different things that we need to do? Tell me. Come on, guys. Theory I have already explained you. As a part of on-page optimization, what are the different activities that you should do on the website?
Like location, address, sharing to public.
No. Think.
To
URL
get all the business details to the people.
URL optimization. Someone told me. Who is that?
Anusha.
Anusha. URL must be optimized. That is, target keyword must be added on the URL. What next? Title tag. So Padmini told me this. Yes, meta description. So
Heading tags.
yes, if you remember one, everything follows. Meta description, heading tag,
Anchor linking.
yes, content, anchor linking. What next? Image optimization, footer optimization. So 8 steps we have to follow. Got it? Can you recollect now? So we have to add the target keyword in all these places, isn't it? So for that, we will keep the target keywords ready first. So this is the prior work that you need to do. Keep an Excel sheet, and in that Excel sheet, note down for which page, what is the keyword that you are targeting. So for home page, these two are my keywords. For this digital marketing page, this is my keyword. For this web designing page, this is my keyword. So like that, I'll keep my keyword ready. And then I will start implementing. How do I do implementation? First, URL. URL cannot be optimized for home page, isn't it? URL cannot be optimized for home page. For any other page, you should do URL optimization. How to do that? Let me show you. Get into your dashboard. Here on the dashboard, on-page optimization is done on the page level. If you remember, on page, the name itself indicates on-page optimization, we will do it on the page level. So go to the particular page which you want to optimize. Pages. So here are all pages. First, let me go to the home page. So this is the home page. I'm clicking on home. All right, we are not designing the page. No need of getting into the Elementor now. Just stay on the page here. And on this right hand side panel, you can see permalink actually. For other pages under permalink, you will see URL slug. But for home page, you can't see anything. See here. For home page, nothing will be there because URL cannot be changed for home page. Let me show you some other page. This is digital marketing new page, but it is already done. Title, description, everything. I'm getting into this SEO page, ma. So if I get inside that page, here you will have permalink, ma. See now, under permalink, you will have URL slug. A block will be there for you, URL slug. Here you have to write your target keyword. For home page, you will not have this option. For any other pages, you will have this option. So put your target keyword in this place and that will become your URL. Okay, so how do you do that? You get into the particular page. I'll create a new page so that I can do it for you. What page shall I create? So I'm creating a social media marketing page. Publish. The page is ready. And once the page is ready, I see all the options here. By default, whatever name I have given, because I decided that permalink will be my post name. So it is the page name it is showing. Let us say my target keyword is best social media marketing. So I'll add my target keyword on my URL slug. Can you see the snippet preview here? This is the URL that the users are going to see. This is how the URL will appear for the users. So where do you do URL optimization? Get into the particular page, go to the page, and under all-in-one SEO settings, you will have permalink here. This is all-in-one SEO. Under that, you will have permalink. Under permalink, you will have URL slug. There you add your target keyword. Under URL slug, add your target keyword. For home page, this block will not be available. Put your target keyword there. Next, you have title and description. Who will see title and description actually? The users on the SERP page. It is not visible on your website. I already told you this. So the users will see the title and description on the SERP page. So what the users are seeing, you can see here in the snippet preview. Okay. And if you scroll down under all-in-one SEO settings on the same page, under all-in-one SEO settings, under general settings, if I scroll down, I'll have page title and meta description. So this is the place where I have to add the title. Backspace, backspace, backspace. So I have 60 characters limit to write my title. And what should I write here? My target keyword I have to write, isn't it? What guys? I have to write my target keyword. So I'm writing my target keyword. So as I told you, even full stops, commas, every special character is also considered to be one character. So I have added 57 characters out of 60. And this is how the users can see it on my SERP page results. Here you have meta description. What is the character limit, ma? 160 characters you have. Please make sure that you add your target keyword in the first of your description itself. I'm taking it. I need not write everything, but I write it to show you how it will look in the snippet preview, right? So this is how the users are going to see. This is the URL, this is the title, and this is the description. That's how you will optimize. Add your target keyword in title and description. Where do you do that? On the page level, under all-in-one SEO settings, under general settings, you have the place to write title and description. Add your target keyword here. All right. And then comes H1 tag. What do you mean by H1 tag, ma? The first heading of your content of the page. So where do you write the content of the page? For this page, I want to write content. Where should I write it? Tell me. I have to get into Elementor. Let me update it. What permalink I changed? It's okay. right? We come to the Elementor, add heading. This is the first heading of my page, and this must be your target keyword. Not here. Whatever editing, you have to do it here. So this is the heading I want to use because this is my target keyword for this page. Make it into H1. Don't forget that. That is what you call optimization. Make it into heading H1. Done. Center aligned. So that is how you will do optimization of your heading tag. So now you know how to optimize your URL. You know how to optimize your title, description, and heading tag. Now you want to do content optimization. What are the rules to follow for content optimization? I did not write anything here because there are so much. And you need to remember that. You need to follow all Panda update rules. You must have original content, no duplicate content, no switched content, no thin content, no low quality content. Divide the content into small paragraphs. Add your target keyword multiple times and make sure the density is between 2 to 3%. Following all these rules, first you put some content on a Word document or a notepad. Copy that content and bring it and paste it on your page. How do you paste it? You will add a text block, text editor, and here you are going to paste your content. Right now, just for example, to show you, I am taking content from Digital Floats. I did not write anything now. Social media marketing is what I was writing about. Never copy content from other websites. This is only for example I'm showing it. So you'll add your content like this and update. Got it, ma? That is about content optimization. And what else we have? After content optimization, you need to do anchor linking. What do you mean by anchor linking? Online people, what do you mean by anchor linking, ma? Right. Adding links to the content or to any footer or anything, either internal links or external links. How much should be the ratio, ma? Internal must be 90% and external must be only 10%.
10%.
So maintain that. And how to add links, let me show you. For example, this is some content I have added. Let us say for this particular word, I want to add a link. Or let me say SMO. For this particular word, I want to add a link. How to add that? Select that word. Here you will see insert link option. Click on insert link option and give the URL here. Where should the user go? So here I'm adding the link and click on this apply button. So now this word SMO has become a clickable link. So the word SMO here has become a clickable link. That's how you will add links to the content inside. All right. And you also know how to add buttons and links for that. How do you add buttons, ma? I can put learn more or whatever here. And I can give a link here. That's it. So that's about adding links to the buttons. And that's about adding links to the words. All right. So this is how you will do internal linking. If you want to provide external links, go to that particular page, copy the URL, bring and paste it here. That's about anchor linking. So make sure that you have more internal links and less external links. Next, you have image optimization. How to do image optimization? Let us see. I'm going back to the dashboard. So I'm on my dashboard here. Can you see media here on your dashboard? If you click on this media, you can see all the images that are present in your website. So choose any image. Okay, choose any image. Here you will find alternative text. On the right hand side panel, you will see alternative text. This is nothing but alt tag. So this is the place where you are going to write your keywords. Let us say Google Ads is my keyword. Hit enter. Comma separated, add one more keyword. You can add 2 to 3 keywords for each image. Comma separated, please. So I have added 3 keywords. Just enter, it will get saved. That's all. Hit enter, it will get saved. There is no save button for this. Okay, that is how you will add your keywords to the images under alt tag. How do you do that? Select any image that you want, and here you will add your target keyword under alternative text. Whichever image you take here, I can add my target keywords, which I have typed earlier. They can be coming up. Hit on enter, it will get auto saved. That's about image optimization. Where do you do that? You will do that under media. If you click on media, you will see all the images that are present on your website, and you can add keywords for all the images. That's about image optimization. Next thing is footer optimization. No need of repeating it again. You already know this, because while designing itself, we have designed the footers as per SEO rules. What are the SEO rules for footer optimization? Someone online tell me. Except Anusha. Either Venkat or Shiva or Banu. Come on, guys.
Like location, contact us.
First rule, divide your footer into 3 or 4 columns.
3 or 4 parts.
So divide your footer into 3 or 4 columns. So what do you add in the first column, ma?
Like quick links about us.
Contact us.
Content. Some content about your website, one paragraph about your website using keywords. And in the second place, I asked you to add some quick links. This is for anchor linking. So you can give some quick links. And in the third block, I asked you to update your address information, contact information, and social links. This is for local SEO. And in the fourth block, I asked you to update your map, embed your map. If at all you don't have map, you can avoid this column. Let it be 3 columns. So that's about footer optimization. So with this, we come to the end of all points of on-page optimization. Am I right? So we are done with server-side optimization, and we are done with on-page optimization. So as part of on-page optimization, we have added URL, we have added title, description, heading, content optimization, anchor linking, image optimization, and footer optimization. Now, Whenever you start a job, you start working on a new website, or if you go for an interview, if someone asks you to do SEO audit, people will be asking you. Most of the times in interviews, they'll ask you. They'll give one website and they'll ask you to do SEO audit. What do you mean by SEO audit? Checking whether all these things are done correctly or not is called SEO audit. Checking whether URL is perfectly optimized, checking whether title and description are optimized, checking whether content is optimized, whether heading is optimized, whether images are optimized or not. All these things you will check and you will let the client know about it. Okay, how to do SEO audit? Let me tell you. Manually also you can do SEO audit. For example, if I'm on this page, digital marketing training page. If I'm present here, I want to do SEO audit for this page. I can check URL directly here. I can see heading directly here. I can see the content. I can take all this content, put it in plagiarism checker tools. If you go to Google and search for plagiarism checker tools, there you can see whether this content is unique or copied. This is a plagiarism checker tool actually. Under small SEO tools, you will find it. Copy and paste your text here. And you will find out whether it is original content or not. Randomly, I'm putting one paragraph because if I put more data, it will take a lot of time. I have added some content here. I'm not robot. Check plagiarism. It will see whether this content is original or duplicate, or how much is original. So many Google ads, so much they are earning. Forget it, guys. I don't know whether if it is working or not. I'm not sure about other things. Grammarly you can use. It is one of the leading ones. I generally use small SEO tools. It is not working today. You can even upload a Word document and check. Some certain points are taken from somewhere. Probably it is because it is present in multiple pages of the website. It is coming up as plagiarism. Plagiarism is nothing but copied content. So you will get to know how much of your content is unique or not. And you can check your keyword density. How do you check the keyword density? I already told you. SEO Quake density. So get into this section and you can see for every keyword, digital marketing training, we have 3.13% of density. It is present in title, description, H1 tag, etc. All these things can be checked and you can make the audit report. One more simple option I'll tell you. Go to the page, whatever page you are on, click on SEO Quake. You come to the SEO Quake. Here you will have diagnosis. Click on that, you will have the page audit report. Okay. So up to 100 pages results you can get for free. And after that you have to go for paid version. If at all you go to any interview and people ask you to take out an SEO audit report, you can use this kind of free version tools and you can show them. URL is optimized, title is optimized, description is optimized. 2 images are not optimized. See, 2 images are not optimized with alt tag. So you can suggest sitemap is present, robots is present, Google Analytics is added. All the things will be checked here automatically and you will get the data. It will also check the designing part also. Whether any frames is used, whether any flash is used, is it working properly? All these things will be checked. Let us say you want to know what is the page loading speed. Usually anything less than 3 seconds. So something up to 3 seconds is considered to be a good page loading speed. You want to check that, you can use a tool called GT Metrics. GT Metrics is a tool that can be used to check the website performance. So you can enter your website URL and test the site. So how fast the website is loading, it will check and it will let you know. So these are all the things that you are going to check as a part of SEO audit, whether URL is optimized, whether title is optimized, whether description is optimized, whether sitemap is present, whether robots.txt is present, whether footer is optimized, whether images are optimized. So you need to check all the things that you do as a part of SEO activity. If everything is done correctly, it is fine. Otherwise, what is the error you are getting? You should tell your client. So here the GT matrix says your page loading speed is 3.4 seconds, which is fine by me. Anything about around 3 is okay. Less than 3 is very good. So that's how you will check the page loading speed from GT matrix. SEO audit report from SEO Quake. That's about on-page optimization and server-side optimization implementation. In next class, we are going to discuss about next topic, that is Search Console. So before that, if you complete your website designing, you can add the titles and descriptions on your website. Then you can submit your website to Search Console. So without designing your website, you can't do on-page optimization. Without doing on-page optimization and server-side optimization, you can't submit your website to Search Console. It is like half-cooked food. If you add it to Search Console also, you will not get any results. So I want you to utilize this weekend's time, please. And please complete the designing of your website. If at all you are not in a position to complete all the pages of your website, temporarily remove few pages. Keep it only to 5 pages. Keep it only to some 6 pages. Remove rest of the pages. Later you can add those pages. So right now at least design 5 pages and get it ready. We can submit it on the Search Console on Monday's class. Any questions in today's topic that we have discussed, ma, online people? Any questions, guys?
No.
All right, fine. So we will meet on Monday again. Have a nice weekend. Please utilize some time and design your websites. I did not check any websites today. I'm going to check them on Monday. As I told you, at least limit it to 5 pages and design those 5 pages fully. and have some keywords ready to add them on the on-page optimization and finish off the on-page optimization. Now you know how to do it. Update the URLs, update the title tags, update the description, add some content, at least for home page. Finish off the home page at least completely, and rest of the pages, some content you try to add. Okay, ma? We'll check the websites on Monday. We'll see how far you have done. Okay, guys. Bye for now.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma.
Bye bye.
Bye, Banu.